Today I'm going to show you how to view all Base44 templates in just a few clicks. If you're trying to quickly browse the available Base44 template library, this is the fastest way to get there. This is a super simple tutorial, so let's jump right in. And before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. First, look at the left navigation bar and click Templates. This will take you to the Templates section where you can browse different options inside the platform. Once you're on the Templates page, look to the top right corner and click Filter. This opens the filtering options so you can narrow down exactly what kind of templates you want to see. From the filter list, click Base44. As soon as you select Base44, the page will update and show you all the templates that match that category. That's it. Now you can view all Base44 templates in one place without having to search manually or scroll through unrelated options. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.